How much I pay?
Go sit down. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my siblings here with me. I got my brother right here and I got my sister right here, and I convinced them to do this video with me. So today we're gonna be doing, first let me introduce them. So we have Micah here, which is my smaller brother, and I have Ashika right here, which is one of my older sisters. And fun fact, there's a 6 years difference, 5 years difference. Can you tell? What? All right. Well, why you looking at me? Nothing. All right. So this is Micah and this is Ashika. So say hi to
guys.
the peeps. Hey. As you can see, Micah didn't want to do the video, but I forced him to do it. But anyway, so what we're doing today is we're gonna see which of these people know me better. So they have their phone, they're gonna be writing down the answers. I'm gonna be asking them questions and they're gonna write down the answers to these questions. So take out your memo. Where's your memo, Michael? So I'm gonna ask you questions and you have 5 seconds to write answers. If you get it right, who's this calling you? I have questions here. Let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 questions. So we're gonna run through these. So I'm gonna open up on the memo. Alright, so the first question is, so you guys gonna type it, So you have 5 seconds to write.
So why we
type.
can't talk?
No, because I don't want you guys to say, that's what I was gonna think or whatever. So anyways, so the first question is, what is my DOB? Date of birth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, stop. Okay, wait, hold on, Michael. What is the year? What year? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No,
1994.
Okay.
Look.
Yeah, see him look.
I'm looking at my phone. You never remember. I'm looking at my phone.
He had you can turn this to the camera. So January 27, 1994. So yeah. No. So 1 point, 1 point. Alright, so next question, so erase all of that. Or you can just continue, it's fine.
So is who type it first and show you first, get that point.
Who has the correct answer? So it doesn't matter. Within the 5 seconds.
But if two have the
the both of them will get the points, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so next.
Let him cheat.
We know him cheat. You say that you have to hide it.
No.
We know you never know me year of birth, Anyways, next question. What is my favorite animal? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you can turn it around. So they said cat. Cat. The next question is, name 2 other animals I like. 2 other animals I like. So there are 3 animals that I do like. Name 2 others. Other than cat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you have dog and monkey. Dog and monkey. No and no. So actually I like koalas.
What is that?
Koalas in Australia, koalas, and I like pandas. Pandas from China.
We don't know that. No, we don't know that.
But yeah.
Jamaica one day.
So no points. Okay. Alright, so next question. I like many fruits. So what is my number 1 fruit? 5, 4. I told you yesterday, Ashika. 3, 2. I can't believe it. Melon, no. Pineapple, no. Mango.
Oh.
Jesus.
Yeah, true.
I like all fruits except papaya, but my favorite number 1 fruit is mango.
And jackfruit.
I like jackfruit.
So give me the point for jackfruit.
No. First of all, you're supposed to type it. And no, I said number 1 fruit. I didn't say whatever. Anyway, so no points. Mango is my favorite fruit. Alright, next. When did I move to Japan? So what month and what year? Month and year. 5, 4, 3, 2. Correct. So August 2018. Yeah, that's correct. So 1 point. Alright, next. How old will I be for my next birthday? 5. Jeez. So 30, yeah, 29. My next birthday, Micah, I'm already 29. So my next birthday will be, I'll be 30. Yes, Micah, somebody old. You break it.
How much? Actually, how much?
No comment. No comment on the video.
So you old too, old, yeah, 23, move with the year, the 2023, my 23. Anyways, next question. So actually call lead Michael. Where do I want to go?
As in which country? What do you mean by that?
Okay, alright, so let me alright, wait, hold on, okay. Alright, name 1 place that I want to visit for vacation. What do you think? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually, Okay, too late. Dubai, I never, not right now, but England, yeah, England, so I might get the point. Really? England. Alright, next.
No, but
Where I want to go.
Right, she
I want to
said.
go
but
to
you're
England.
going, so
But they don't know that.
Alright, next question.
Impatient, you see? Anyways, alright. Where, oh, wait, oh, next question. What's my favorite color? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So he has red, she has pink. No and no.
Obviously not.
oh, let me try again.
Try again. 5, 4, 3, 2. Well, actually, no. Blue and blue, yeah. It was a 1 point, 1 point, yeah. So my favorite color.
I typed it first.
My favorite color is blue.
So I'll get the point.
Blue, cobalt blue. Alright, next question. How many countries did I visit in 2022? How many countries did I go to? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He has 3 and she has 6. 6.
She says in one of our
6,
videos then
Micah.
include food in Jamaica, of course.
You can't include Jamaica.
Of course,
because you
remember, I
can't
wasn't.
visit Jamaica if you're born in Jamaica.
It doesn't
That
matter.
can't
I did go
include.
to Jamaica, didn't I? I'm in Jamaica now.
Okay.
Anyway, so no point for you. Next, name 3 of my high school friends. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Okay, so you have Latai, Stacia, Rebecca. Latai, Stacia, Sachoney. Okay, yeah. 1. Oh, there no more friend than me?
I always thought.
Alright, so next question. Name 3 other friends. So people who are not my high school friends. So people I'm in Japan or my college friends or my old co-workers. 5, 3. Look how much people I don't know. 5.
But I
4,
don't remember them name. But the girl we stay with which name. I don't remember her name.
2, 1, 0. Okay, so he has Andre. Who? Stacia. Oh, Stacia. Who is Stacia?
Stashay, the girl who did the YouTube.
Sish.
Stashay, something like
That's
that.
not what she named.
The girl.
Stacia. But yeah, okay, Stacia.
Shirley,
Yeah, Shirley.
Shirley.
No, but you no, it
No, I didn't
finished.
remember her name.
No,
I
but
didn't remember
you don't
her
get a
name.
point.
No,
So she has
We're not go
You get a
out.
point.
Stacia and Damien.
I mean, you get the point. So, yeah,
So you get the point. Yeah, you get the point.
Alright, it's fine. It is fine.
So I'm gonna tie again.
It is
Alright,
fine.
next. Name 2 of my exes. My ex-boyfriend.
Like how we know that.
When you can just so Unaga just put the initials.
Oh,
5,
when
4,
I don't know, that's
Three.
what is my name?
2,
I don't know, that's
1.
Just Cowan.
Really? No point. Robert.
I imagine
So
remember.
no points. Alright, next we have 2 more questions. Oh, actually, it's 1 more question. This is the last question. What? Okay, so this is the last question.
So this have to be 10 points.
It's gonna you guys actually tie, so it doesn't matter. So it's gonna be whoever wins. Whoever write the point, whoever finish writing it first and spell it correctly will be the winner. So
What?
who is first? Okay, so this is a lot the tie. Alright, so what's the name of the city that I lived in Japan? What's the name of the city that I lived in Japan? You have to spell it correctly. Alright, no point. Correctly, you gotta spell it correctly. That's not how it's spelled. That's not how it's spelled. What you about Google it? 5, 4, 3, 2.
My Google not even come up. Like seriously? My phone
No.
freeze.
So, yeah, well, you know, yeah.
Yeah, it's not spelled correctly.
Well, if you know,
It's not. I'm telling you, it's not spelled correctly.
see the now.
Yes, Yokohama.
What I will miss? Somebody spell it.
You put Yokohama. And you had Yokohama. Yokoyama.
So, I mean, you win.
Yokohama. So yeah, so the winner is actually Michael. Can you imagine? Alright, so that's it for that's it for my video today. Ashika's supposed to create a YouTube channel, but I don't think she's gonna be creating it anytime soon. So I was gonna tell you guys to go check out her channel, but there's no channel to check out, huh?
Coming soon.
But if she,
2023. We're just in February.
but if I think this video is gonna probably be posted in March. So if you create the channel by then, I'll put it in the link in the description box below, so you guys go check out our channel. For Micah, you want him to follow you on Instagram even though you don't post on Instagram?
Follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, from Instagram, yeah. Oh, M.
You forget your name? MJ Supreme.
Yeah, that.
This boy don't even know his thing. Anyway.
Follow me on Instagram at Ashika. That's Samir. Also,
The business page.
my business page at
Samir's Collection.
Samir's Closet. Oh, I'm gonna forget that.
Closet.
You guys don't even. Anyways, follow me on Instagram. It's Sachoney. That's all. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my video. And if you want to see more sibling tags, let me know, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Alright, so until next time, bye.